What's up everybody? Welcome back to my vlog. This is the Wayfarer Hawaii. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for all my new subscribers and thanks for following along. Some more updates. If you guys are wondering what this strange, bizarre looking alien fruit this is called a noni plant. Yeah, I got the thermostat in the mail today. Gonna throw it in some hot water. Burn my fingers. All good in the hood.
I think it's so hot. Oh yeah, it's working. See it opening up. Cool.
Not really sure what that's for. But you can see it opens. Kind of stuff I do at my house, just tinker around with little stuff like this, you know what I mean? Tinkering. The heat compresses the spring and opens up the valve. Acha. What's up guys, how's it? So I made a big improvement on the exhaust manifold. I guess I kind of chiseled away this little hole, and it's like circulating a little bit better. I'll show you guys. This hole was completely clogged up, so I kind of just punched it, and now I guess this hole connects to this one. So it's a series of... Alright, I've got everything put back together with the new thermostat inside of there, new seal, gasket sealer. Yeah, should be good to try to crank over and see if water is going to be circulating and pumping out. Wish me luck. It's working, it should be pumping out water soon. Okay. Let's pray, fingers crossed. I don't know, I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, but warm up, but it should be pumping out water. Not sure what's going on. I'm gonna let it just run for a little bit and then see if it pumps out water. I don't know, it's running really good, but it's not taking out water. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like this channel, be sure to hit the like or subscribe button and follow along. I just launched a Kickstarter, link in bio. Oh yeah, thanks for all the Patreons, you guys are the best.